Rise Communities wants to bring a master plan community that has tremendous landscaping, one-of-a-kind amenities, not to be compared to any other master plan community. It's unique. It's a community that you can drive through and feel like you're at home. The services that Meridiana will use with EHRA is pretty much all of them. The planning and platting, the surveying, the engineering, construction phase services, landscape architecture. We're a one-stop shop, and they can use any of our services to get this project moving forward.
Meridiana is a development down at SH288 and County Road 56, and the project that my group has worked on is improving SH288 at County Road 56, providing a bridge overpass over 288 and removing the at-grade crossing for the development.
Because we have so many services under the roof, one of the important thing to observe in this case, in this project, there's a private and public collaboration, and because this is a project, the developer, our land services group works with developer day to day. And we are working with the Brazoria County, TechStart, and doing this project, County Road 56, overpass over 288.
Rise Communities is looking for an engineer that looks out for their interest, as every developer should. Somebody that's going to value engineer, somebody that's going to bring a product that is going to work, drains correctly, is going to have water and sewer services, something that they're not going to have issues with in the future or currently.
In my opinion, the most challenging part of this project will be connecting our main parkway from State Highway 288 all the way through State Highway 6.
I believe EHRA was awarded Meridiana because of our attention to detail and our responsiveness and our communication.
Since this project happened to be in the TechStart facility, we have to work with TechStart.
It provides not only traffic relief, connectability between 288 and State Highway 6, but it also provides safety.
I think the most challenging aspect of the project is keeping up with the trends. This is a project that's going to take several years, and you're working with two different agencies. Their design criteria isn't exactly the same, so you have to accommodate both, and really just the size of it. EHRA will make sure that Meridiana is a success with communication. We're also going to review budgets and schedules constantly.
And we really strive to make sure that communication and transparency are big keys. Instead of working for our clients, we want to work with our clients.
It's a challenging project, but I think we'll be able to execute this.
I'm really looking forward to seeing the bridge design.
There's so many components of this project that will have to go hand in hand in order for us to execute this.
This is a complex project dealing with multiple agencies, multiple stakeholders.
I'm really excited to get this project started.
It's going to be a highlight, maybe even the highlight of my career, but it'll be a very good project for us.
EHRA is up for the challenge. It's thousands of acres, it's going to take several years, and it's going to be a community like no other. But when it's completed, it will be one of the best projects in the Houston area.
I'm currently in the field and everything looks great. The progress has been tremendous, and with the help of the contractor, we're going to get this done on time.
The clients out here almost daily. There are many developers that work with Rise and some that are pretty local. They're out here watching the development every day. There's a construction manager on the team. They coordinate with us directly, so the communication is nonstop.
So where we are in the project as of today is which contract has been awarded just like a month ago. And the contractor, as you see the equipment behind me, they're just mobilized and doing some minor payment work at this point.
So far, the project is running very smoothly. The contractor's making very good progress.
We're ahead of schedule. A lot of these sections that are moving forward based on what the development needs are, some of them are being pushed up forward, and we're able to meet those demands. Items come up and issues may come up, but we're there to take care of them and resolve any problems that may arise.
At the end of the day, we're going to have a full boulevard roadway section in line with a couple of bridges, and we are also going to have some retaining walls as well.
Well, everything is going as planned. We have done a good job keeping everybody involved from the beginning of the project. So everything is going smoothly. I'm not expecting any major interruptions.
Meridiana is going to be one of the greatest master plan communities in the Houston MSA. It's just going to be beautiful. It's going to have Meridiana Parkway that's going to connect State Highway 288 all the way to Highway 6, 6 miles of roadway, and bridges that are going over major creeks, major canals, and it's just going to have a great community feel to it. EHRA's role in Meridiana, in addition to the 3,000-acre development and the internal infrastructure, all the private infrastructure. We also did all of the public infrastructure, from the bridges that connect 288 all the way to State Highway 6. We had bridges over the ditches, bridges over the canals, over BNSF railroads and underneath transmission lines. So working with the private and the public agencies was a huge undertaking.
We also took over the municipal utility district side of the project, and that allowed us to really manage everything for Meridiana.
Well, we are very proud of the project, the way it was turned out.
So the addition of this overpass really helped improve safety as well as mobility.
So this project was very much needed because of the safety concern.
We also completed the entire parkway. So this was actually the start of something great. We were able to complete a boulevard all the way through Highway 6. So multiple bridges, multiple structures, roadway, everything.
One of the reasons why EHRA was selected for the Meridiana Parkway project is the expertise and the knowledge that they have, not just for the city of Manville, but just that they are a respected firm throughout the greater Houston area.
Having the right team on a project of this magnitude is a huge help. They're supporting you, they're helping you, they're assisting you, they're managing the project with me.
With the thoroughfare that's connecting Manville to Iowa Colony now, I think it's going to be a very important regional connection to make, but also just the amount of homes, the commercial elements that are being constructed right now. There's a lot of benefit that the community is gaining from Meridiana.
Well, EHRA team did a good job staying focused from the beginning, make sure all the stakeholders got involved from the beginning.
There are so many different aspects that go into developing a project of this size. You don't just have the agencies that the city that you're in. You have to deal with the center point energies, the railroads, the pipelines. There's all these different aspects and components of a development of this magnitude.
The importance of this project being completed in time was so that we can start our development from a major highway 288 and be able to connect future residents to the community.
So Meridiana has helped put Iowa Colony and Manville on the map. They bring a lot of value to the community.
So the project for Meridiana Parkway, the reason why that was so vital is it gives us another north-south corridor through our city. So that way for emergency response, people that don't want to deal with the traffic on 288, they have a way to access other parts of Manville without having to deal with the congested traffic.
But also to preserve the natural features. There's two bayous that go through the project, so really to protect and enhance those features and then build a village around that.
I think EHRA was able to deliver everything that they asked of us, and in the end, it shows.
The developer's biggest concern with Meridiana was schedules. They have a date set for every different milestone, and they have developments that have to meet those milestones or else they lose money. Working with Rise and making sure that we met those milestones and met those schedules, working with them, we met his requirements.
I think I was most impressed by how fast EHRA was able to produce product and get the project out the door, and how fast people were buying homes in Meridiana. It's one of the fastest selling home communities in Texas and in the country, and it's really grown into a beautiful community.
I'm excited with the completion of this project because of all the different aspects on this project that we've learned and been able to successfully complete.
And also the construction went very smoothly. I mean, we have no hiccups at all during the construction. So it's a team effort at the end of the day, and all work together, and I'm very happy with the way it went and the completion of the project.
I would say in the end, Meridiana is really one of the best developments in the greater Houston area. I think EHRA did a fantastic job keeping up with the fast pace of development and really making sure that Meridiana could be the best that it can be.
I take a lot of pride in that because that was definitely something that we were originally intending to happen, and to see it happening now is great.
Meridiana is a community that has that home feel. When you're here, you feel like you're at home. And just being out here for a short period of time, when I come out to just look at the community, you see families enjoy the amenities, and that's my favorite part about it. So you build something that people can be a part of.